guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be taking a look at this Casio watch. And no, this is not a smartwatch, this is just a basic watch. And the reason I purchased this is because I will be taking it with me to boot camp. Now in boot camp, you're not allowed to have your smartphone or a smartwatch, so I chose to buy a basic watch to tell me the time and to use for an alarm clock. So this is the Casio Men's W800H-1AV Classic Sport Watch with black band. Now this is priced at $16.99 on Amazon, and some of the features of this watch are it has 10-year battery life. Yes, you heard me right. It has a 10-year battery. It also offers water resistance up to 100 meters or 330 feet. It offers world time, so it offers 31 time zones. You also have an LED light, and it also features a stopwatch and countdown timer with 5 daily alarms or one-time alarms. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as you can see, we get a very basic box with Casio branding, purple on the inside, and we just slide this out, and we should be able to just open this up. And here is our watch. Now as you can see, it's already on, already running. It does tell you all that same information I just told you there. So 10-year battery, LED light with afterglow, dual time, and 100-meter water resistance. Inside we do get a little user guide, and this is in a bunch of different languages, so that's why it's kind of large. We also get a warranty card in here as well. And so this will tell you how to actually change the clock, set alarms, use the stopwatch, and all the different functions of the watch itself. Right, here's a look at the watch. So we do have a little peel action here. So taking a look at the watch face, you can see we are provided with some pretty basic information. So this is the timekeeping screen. So as you can see, we get the day of the week, we get the time, of course, we get the year as well as the month and day. And then on the side, you can see we have SNZ, ALM, and SIG. And so SNZ is snooze. So if you snooze an alarm, that will be highlighted. If you have an alarm, that will be highlighted. And then SIG is for hour signal, so it'll beep every hour, kind of like one of those older clocks, so you can have that on also. Setting the watch is pretty simple. You pretty much just hold down the adjust key here, and then the seconds will be highlighted, and you can go between each of the different parts of the time and date and change it to your will. And once you're done, hit the adjust key again and you're all good. Now you do have a couple different modes on the watch. So right now we're in the timekeeping mode, and you simply press the mode key to go between each of them. So we have the timekeeping mode, we have your alarm mode, we have your stopwatch, and then we have the dual time mode. So the dual time mode is cool because you can set this for a different time zone, so you can check that time zone's time anytime by just going between the different modes. You hit mode again and you're back to your time. Now of course this watch does have a little LED light in it, so you just hit the light button here and you'll see that little light pop up in the corner, and it will stay lit for about a second. Taking a closer look at the watch, this is a very basic watch again, so just keep that in mind as you're looking at this. So the display is a pretty decent size, and of course it offers quite a bit of information. At the very top of the display it says Casio and 10-year battery, and then on the bottom it says water 100-meter resist. On the sides, it denotes what each of the buttons do. So of course we have the adjust button, mode button, light button, and 12 and 24 hour button. And you can see we have this nice line pattern on the top and bottom of the actual band itself, illuminator at the top of the watch. And then this is kind of a plastic or TPU kind of material. It's semi-thick, but it's not very thick. This is, again, not a very expensive watch, so it may not be very durable, but Casio watches last quite a while, so hopefully it will be. So we have Casio branding there, and then we have our little metal buckle. It does feel like metal, kind of cheap metal, but should be sufficient, as I said. And you can see we have a lot of different holes for adjustment on there. On the rear, you can see we have a stainless steel back, so this will be water resistant. It does say Casio. It's the 3240 W800H stainless steel back, water resistant, 10 bar, made in China, EA, all that good fun stuff there. Now this is a very small watch compared to something like an Apple Watch, so just to give you an idea of the difference, you can see the band is thinner and the display is much smaller. So this is the 44mm Apple Watch Series 4. Just to give you an idea of the difference between these. So of course this one's gonna have a lot better battery life than an Apple Watch, but you know, the functionality is here more than here. But for the basics, the Casio will definitely do the job. And just to show you how it'll look on me, it's again pretty small, feels pretty nice, is not going to wear down your wrist at all. I do have it on the third hole on me. I do have pretty small wrists, and as you can see, it comes up here and still has a little bit of extra on there, but it should fit pretty much everybody. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, just a quick look at this Casio watch. So a pretty nice basic watch coming in at $17 on Amazon, and it offers you the time and alarms, stopwatch, LED, it is water resistant, and pretty nice and light as well. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave a link down below where you can check this out. Pretty nice little watch. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.